Imagine you find a fresh and delicious ingredient.
Dangerous.
With the new kitchen range from Electrolux, your ideas will come to life in a kitchen with Scandinavian design and exceptional performance. Intuitive technology for healthy, delicious results, effortlessly. And should you ever need a hint, no problem. The AI TasteAssist gets you right back on track with perfect cooking methods for every part of your meal to make sure to maximize both nutrition and flavor. Make super crispy chicken or use Steam Pro for perfectly steamed dishes. A cooktop with sensors that prevent pots from overboiling and pans from burning. Controlled through the intuitive Cook Smart touch display or the app makes juggling complex tasks feel like a breeze. And on the topic of breeze, the hob to hood automatically switches on and adjusts. So that's one less thing to worry about. Our new flexible fridge with MultiChill drawer takes cooling to a new level. A beauty to look at, but also a luxury spa for all your different ingredients. When everyone is full, the innovative Comfort Lift Dishwasher makes the aftermath effortless and almost fun. Great taste never looked so good.